We can't survive without drinking water for more than 3 to 4 days. But when and how we drink water also matters. Drinking water the right way can actually provide us with a lot of health benefits. In this video, let us look at the best time to drink water, the different ways of water intake, and the healing properties of water. Let us start by looking at the best and worst times to drink water. Number 1. After waking up. During sleep, our body functions without water for at least 8 hours and thus gets dehydrated. So, immediately after getting up in the morning, have at least 1 glass of water. This hydrates the body, improves the blood circulation, eases bowel movement, and energizes us. I personally do this every day without fail. It has changed my mornings from feeling lazy and tired to being super energetic and productive. Number 2. Meal times. It is best to avoid drinking water while eating, as this interferes with the digestive process. If you do feel thirsty, however, limit your water intake to just a few sips. It is best to drink water 1 hour before or 1 hour after a meal. However, you can still have buttermilk 5 to 10 minutes after a meal. Number 3. Before bath. It is said that drinking a glass of water before taking bath can actually improve the blood circulation and reduce blood pressure in the body. Number 4. Before sleeping. Drinking a glass of water 5 to 10 minutes before sleeping can avoid dry mouth issues at night and prevent dehydration to some extent. It is also said that doing so reduces the chances of early morning heart attacks. Apart from these timings, do drink water whenever you're thirsty and never go without drinking water for more than 2 hours. A good sign of a healthy water intake is a pale yellow urine. Now that we have seen the best times to drink water, let's now see the different ways to drink water to cure as well as prevent diseases. Number 1. For constipation. Ayurveda suggests that you drink 3 glasses of water right after waking up. After drinking water, do the asanas Tadasana, Tiryak Tadasana and Kati Chakrasana 5 times each. When done regularly, this removes as well as prevents constipation. It also improves general health and reduces the fat around the waist and hip. My father still does this daily. You can easily learn these asanas from a qualified yoga teacher. For curing other complaints like hypertension, knee pain, rheumatism, etc., follow water therapy. I've made a detailed video on water therapy. You can find the link to that video in the description box below. Number 2. 4448 diseases. In a clean copper vessel, pour a glass of water. Add a handful of washed basil, that is tulsi leaves, in it. After 8 hours, strain and drink this water. Continue this for 48 days. This therapy is supposed to cure all the 4448 diseases listed in the Siddha medical system. If chronic ailments show improvement, then continue for another 48 days. Small children and those who are yet to have children should avoid using tulsi regularly. Number 3. For gas. Drinking saline water reduces gas in stomach but may lead to other problems due to the presence of excess sodium. For other uses of saline water and salt, do refer to my video Health Benefits of Salt. The link's in the description box. Number 4. For anemia. Take a small piece of iron and heat it till red hot. Dip it in a glass of water, filter and drink this water to cure anemia. Make sure that the iron piece that you are using is not rusty. In general, using cast iron pots and pans for cooking increases the iron content in the food. For proper absorption of iron by the body, do include vitamin C rich foods in your diet like lemon, oranges, cabbage, amla, etc. Number 5. Warm water benefits. A glass of warm water relieves acid reflux, soothes the effects of chronic indigestion, treats headache, fever and pain in the forehead. In general, drinking warm water removes fever arising out of excess vata, that is wind. Drinking warm water before and during meals reduces appetite. Instead, take it half an hour after meals. Number 6. Boiled and cooled water benefits. Boil water in the night. Let it cool naturally overnight. Drink this water the next day to cure hiccups, vomiting, swooning, chronic indigestion, phlegm, excess vata, that is wind, relieve eye pain, etc. Drinking water boiled and reduced to 1/4 of the original volume removes the effects of pitta, that is bile. Drinking water boiled and reduced to half of its original volume removes the effects of both vata and pitta, that is wind and bile. If you drink it the next day, then it balances the three doshas, that is, it controls all three of wind, bile and phlegm. Water boiled and reduced to 3/4 of its volume reduces wind, cold shivers, fevers and loose motions due to 3-dosha imbalance. So you see, water can be an elixir or a poison depending on the way you use it.